What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know I said in the previous video that we're gonna be more consistent. Well, a lot of things happened and waiting for parts, and it got complicated, but sorry for the 2-month wait. But we're here. For today, it's gonna be pretty cool because I got a carbon lip for the Evo. It's the SC lip, which is the special edition. I was debating whether to get one that was either like where I could just paint match it to the car or just get a carbon. But since the car has a carbon hood, I kind of felt like I needed a little bit more carbon to kind of like complement. So that's what I got, and I got a Vis SC carbon lip, which is right here. Let me go ahead and open it for you, actually. I was kind of hoping for it to be cool weather, but unfortunately we're in the heat, and I'm wearing all black. But anyways, this is the lip.
That's pretty clean.
Really nice. This is really nice. And again, this is Vis Racing, so carbon lip. Man, it's gonna come out nice. All right, we do have drill holes. So it doesn't come with hardware. It looks like you gotta drill your own holes.
No, it's got the holes in the front.
It does?
Yeah, when you flip it, it's got them, I think, right there, no?
Oh, like those?
Yeah, no?
Oh, maybe. Well, I'm saying for here, for the bottom.
Or
I don't know, we're gonna see right now, but I'm not sure. I mean, if we have to drill, we'll drill holes. But yeah, but now we gotta get to removing this one. Sorry for the little, what is it, 3-foot ladder?
yeah,
And a blanket.
we're taking it old school with the fort.
When you were young, you would build like a little fort, you know what I mean. Those who know. But I mean, anyways, we'll get back to you guys in a little bit once we get
Take
to
a
this.
quick look.
Yeah, take a quick look.
All right.
Oh yeah, so I looked under. So what you're gonna have to take off is if you have the shields that go under the plastics under the car, you're gonna have to take that all off. Let me go ahead and show you. So it's all this plastic here that's gonna need to get removed, so that way you can take off this lip. So there you go. Yeah, so it's all that. So sorry for the, you can't see well. All right, once I take it off, I'll come back.
It's so hot out here. Had to put a hoodie on, it's long sleeves, and David's out here taking a freaking nap. Can't trust these mechanics.
All right, so got the covers finally removed. It's a lot of clips, but anyways, all that we need to do is take all these screws that you see in there. Might be a little hard to see, sorry about that. Where are they? Right there. They're all Phillips, so they all run along the whole lip, as you can see. So all those, and that one, and then that, and then it should pop off. I mean, this would be easier if you remove your bumper. It would be a lot easier actually, but I didn't really think this through, so I'm just doing it like this. So bear with me. All right, once I take off the lip, I'll come back again. All right, so I finally removed it. So like I said, it's a lot of little Phillips screws with all these holes that you see. So, and it's all around, and it's really easy to pop out. A second. So once you have all of them out, you just literally it just unclips very easy. So there's nothing to it, but here it is. And
What about the left side with the
oh yeah, which one is it?
I think it's
This side, yeah. So on your passenger side, this on this one, this screw right here, when you get to here, let me actually show you.
Yeah.
So in case you guys, if any of you guys actually do it with the bumper on, so I ran into the part where there's this hard plastic piece that helps direct air to the oil cooler, and the screw sits right here, and it's really hard to get anything in to actually remove the screw because this is in the way. And to remove this, well, it looks like there's a bolt here and maybe a bolt over there somewhere, but you got to remove the bumper, which why I was saying it was probably easier to you know, take off the bumper. But anyways, I use this, which is very, very handy. Danny had this, so this fit perfectly to, you know, just remove it. So, oh yeah, and the reason why I'm going with the SE lip is because on the mine's a GSR. GSR does, well, this is how it looks, and it doesn't have the indent that the SE lips usually have. And not only that, like this area right here kind of sticks out more, so it's more aggressive.
Go back a little bit.
It's more aggressive.
There you go.
So this little hump, like I was saying, but looks really nice. Also, we were laying it. We're gonna do the drills or mark the holes. You do have to mark the holes for the, so that way you can put the clips for your splash shield or whatever, all that plastic. But I'm probably gonna do that later, not right now, because some of the holes don't match up with the OEM lip. So that way I don't drill the hole right now, and then I'm trying to put the clips on and it doesn't match up, and you know, I'm gonna do it later. But anyways, let's put this on. Okay, so I'm finally done with installing it. One piece of mind, I do recommend removing the bumper. Don't try it with, you know, with the bumper on, because there is drilling that you got to do. Like it lines up good when you actually, you know, get all the screws in, but you do have to like mess with it, because none of the holes that are like pre-drilled match up with the OEM bumper. So I had to do a lot of work to move it around. So this is how it looks. So I was able, for the fitment, really nice. I was able to get it almost dead on, as you can see. Looks really, really nice. Makes the car look more aggressive. Makes the hood pop out a lot better, as you can see. Love it. So I only put a little bit of screws. I didn't put all of them because, let me see if I can actually show you guys. But oh yeah, it's gonna be a little bit hard. Can I borrow? Oh, okay, no. So I put some screws, but it's a little difficult because some of them, like, they looks like they're pre-drilled, but at least since I had the bumper on and I was trying to do it this way, it was harder for me to actually drill the holes. So I'm sure when you have the bumper off, it'll be a lot more smoother. So another thing too, another issue I had was it looks like it's too short, where you can't just fit this like one side on and then clip the other side. What we had to do was what did we do? Oh,
Put the sides in first,
we
slide
put
it in.
the sides in first, so that way it's in, and this is kind of like tilted down, and then we push the bumper a little bit in, because it has like it's like where the screws go, but we
kind of
tucked
have to
it in.
tuck it.
Yeah, so it goes like this, and then we kind of like lifted it.
So probably better if you have two people.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it was a little hard, not too crazy, but you know, under the sun, pretty hard. Other than that though, looks good, and hopefully this is somewhat helpful, and hopefully you guys like the video. The next video that is coming out is actually, I did get coilovers in for the Evo 2, so that's gonna be the next video. Is gonna put some coilovers, and then there's one more carbon piece that I'm not gonna mention, because that one's gonna be a surprise, and I think that one's gonna make the car just oof.
This guy,
you know. Just kidding. But
compliments to the mechanic.
Yeah. But other than that though, yeah, sorry about, you know, taking a little long, but we had things going on, but things are good, and like I said in the last video, bear with us. But for the 86 things are coming soon too, don't worry. Danny's been busy with work, so make sure you guys like, share, subscribe like always. If you're new and you're watching this, you know, welcome. Thank you for at least, you know, viewing it.
See you in 3 months.
No, don't see you in 3 months. I am honestly trying to, you know, at least every other week, but we'll see how it goes, right? All right, well, stay tuned. Next video should be good. Later.